Hey Jonas, what do you have there?
This is one of the things that I 3D printed.
How does it work?
It's like kind of like a bearing, but it's like a planetary gear.
Planetary gear system, and show us.
It's something that I saw in a video. It said that you need a tool the first time, but this it didn't fuse together. It worked really well.
Oh, that's a good printer. All right, and there you are with the raft removed. Nice. And there's the printer from Gramma and Grandpa J. And the extra filaments and the roller for it. Cool. I like it.